Hey everybody, the purpose of this video is to show you how to add a item from the Kami library, one of those templates, to your Schoology course. So I think you're really going to like this new setup. So I've got this gratitude pyramid. I've set up the document where I've got some notes in there for the students, and I've got some directions in the form of comments. You can always use voice comments, video comments, or even a screencast if you want to give them directions right inside the document. But once you have it done, you want to make sure that you hit Save Changes, and remember you're going to access this from a folder that says Kami Uploads. So let's say I've got it all ready, and now I'm going to go into Add Materials. We used to just do Add Assignments, but if you look now, you'll see that there's a Kami button over to the right. So I want you to click this Kami button. It's going to ask you to first select your the document that you want. So we're going to go to our Google Drive, and we are going to look for that Kami Uploads folder. So it's right in your drive. They're usually in alphabetical order, so Kami Uploads. And then I can see here is the gratitude pyramid. You can also search for it if you know the exact name. And then in here, if you turn on assessment mode, this means that once the kids submit it to you, they can't go back and edit it anymore. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to put a due date, and I'm going to say it's due on Friday. And you also have the option to control the features that the students see. So if you do not want them to be able to, say, use the drawing tools, you can turn that off. Or if you don't, let's say, I don't want them to use the shape tools, you can turn that off, and then you just go down and you hit OK. So I've got this settings, I've got what it's called. I'm just going to give it a better title so it doesn't have the PDF at the end. I'm going to say Gratitude Pyramid, then I hit Proceed. It's going to do some work in the background, and it's taking it from Kami and bringing it over into a Schoology assignment. And you're going to get this window that looks like Add Assignment, but this one's an external tool. This is automatically done for you. It's got the title, it's got the URL. Don't touch those. You do not need to put anything in for custom parameters. If you want to be able to grade this assignment, you're going to make sure that Enable Grading is checked. If you don't want it graded, you can uncheck it. You can say how many points it's worth, what grading category it's going to be. You need to give it a grading category, when the due date is, and the grading scale that you're going to be using. So I'm going to say Mastery-Based Learning, and it's assigned for the 21. You can also align standards and individually assign this document to students. And then you hit Create. And the thing that I love about this is instead of having the assignment icon, now there's a Kami assignment icon. So this tells the students this is a Kami assignment. And for you, when you click it, it's really cool because you can go in and you have the ability to enter in as the teacher, either to open it and grade it, or to edit the original template. So let's say you wanted to add some more directions. You would just hit Edit Template, and now you're in your traditional Kami editing view. Just like if you were in the regular PDF, it's just embedded in Schoology. But let's say you want to go and you want to open the grader. I just hit back and I hit Open Grader. I don't have any submissions yet, so that means nobody's turned it in yet. But that is how you use the new Kami assignment feature. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.